Hey everyone, welcome to CPA Newbie, and in this video we're going to be talking about CPA marketing. So what is CPA marketing? CPA marketing is also known as cost per action or cost per acquisition marketing. So CPA is an online marketing strategy where an advertiser or a company or product pays you money for a specific action taken by the potential customer or a prospect. The company pays you as an affiliate because you are sending the customer to the product or company. So when a customer or a prospect buys something, or they fill out a certain amount of information or a zip submit or email information or multiple information, or they're going for a free trial, when somebody is performing this sort of specific action through your link, you get paid, and this is CPA marketing. So the action can be two things. They can be cost per sale and cost per lead. Let's speak about cost per sale. In cost per sale, when a customer is buying something through your link, you get paid. So when a customer is buying something, it can be a bodybuilding product, it can be a visa product, forex stock product, can be a software, or if they are signing up for a free trial, when they are performing this action through your link, bam, you get paid. So this is cost per sale. Let's look at cost per lead. When a customer fills out a form, the form can be an email or a zip code, or when a customer fills out multiple information or a single information. When a customer fills these up and when they fill it through your link, bam, you get paid. You get paid because you are the affiliate. Examples can be filling out a form or getting an estimation of a quote. So for example, this is getting a quote. When they fill it up, your job is done as an affiliate. When they fill out a form, the form can be an email address or a zip submit, or it can also be multiple information like all this information for this dating website. When they fill these up, you get paid. So you get paid when a customer, they either fill out a form, or they get an estimation of a quote too, or they sign up for a free trial. That is, this is a free trial of a detox recipe. When they sign up for this free trial, you get paid. Or they are buying something, when they are buying a bodybuilding or a slimming product or a visa product. When they do any of this specific action, bam, you get paid. So in short, this is CPA marketing. Thank you for listening to the video.